So in this Vista Create tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create an not Instagram graphic, a Pinterest graphic here on Vista Create. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up the Vista Create website or the application. Once you're into the application, go to the top left, press on the home screen right here. Then either go to the search bar and you can search up Pinterest. Right there, Pinterest graphic right here. What else you can do as well is X out of that, go to where it says for you, press on the arrow right here, and just keep sliding until you come across Pinterest graphic right here, 1000 by 1500 pixels. Simply just press on it to create a new design. So what this is going to do now is actually open up a new design of a Pinterest graphic with the proper dimensions. So what you can do here is either go to the left hand side, add a template, or you can add your own designs to the mix as well. So if you wanted to, for example, to add this template right here of what appears to be sort of like a travel theme, it'll work perfectly and fit perfectly, which you can now edit for yourself. So super straightforward. This is how to create a Pinterest graphic here on Vista Create. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.